Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga post ng GMA Network, hawak na niya ang Revenge but Make It Glam Serum. Ang kapuso primetime princess na si Barbie Fortesa gaganap bilang Noreen Alfonso, ang masipag, matyaga at mapagmahal na CEO ng Halina Beauty. Gagawin niya lahat upang makakis sa katuparan ng kanyang mga plano para sa sarili, pamilya at pangarap. Ayan na nga, Revenge series, the beautiful Miss Barbie Fortesa at nakakulay violet siya. At next naman na nag-tweet siya ng 11/11. Ay, ano kayang wish ni Barbie? Grabe. Ako, isa lang wish namin actually. Magkatuluyan sila. Addict. Anyway, niretweet nga tong post ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center na nung November 11, 2023 nung magkasama nga si David at saka si Barbie sa Shopee Live. Grabe, ang saya nun at super super sweet nun, grabe. At nagsama na i-post ni Net, condolence Licauco family. Ayan na nga, nakipaglibing siya sa libing ni Sir Jaime. Ayan si David. At yun si Ilan. Ayan si James. At parang si Tito Jack to, yung likod parang si Tito Jack yan. Ayan. So ito naman, next. Post nila Arnie May, super grateful ako to have an opportunity to meet David Licauco and help him find the best slot to build his dream house. Uy, wow. Ayala West Grove Heights, super thank you Sir Derek Monasterio for your referral. Uy, wow. Si Derek Monasterio pa pala nag-refer sa kanya. Hindi ka ito yung West na pinag-uusapan ni David at saka ni Dustin sa PBB? Well, anyway. Assuming lang tayo, napaka-cute na si David. At kailan kaya itong video na to, no? Ayun na nga. So, ayan si David. Ayan, nagpa-picture din si David. Napaka-cute, diba? Parang luma na nga to, no? Yung mga dating post ni David. At next naman ay David signing autographs for his fans. Ayan na nga, napaka-cute na si David. Diba? Baby yung itsura. Cute. At yan, super happy. At balita nga namin ay marami tayong abangan sa It's Showtime. Grabe. Pasabog daw yung sa Sabado. Next is a post by David Licauco and Kuya Korea. Ito nga yung papopromote pa rin nung meet and greet ni David sa SM Clark. That's on Sunday, May 25 at 12 p.m. So yun nga, yung mga customer na nag-purchase from May 19 to 24 may 1,000 single receipt purchase. May 25 take out na worth 1,000 at saka yung mga. At next naman na yung very short TikTok live ni David Licauco kagabi. Let's watch this.
TikTok na naman.
Ayun na nga, so from Instagram lumipat nga si David ng TikTok.
Hello. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Arigatou gozaimasu. Ito may ano to? Ano? Perfect, no?
Ayun na nga, so nag-Japanese siya nung una. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kay Kenzie siguro.
Ano ba ibahin ko? Pangit, no? Yomi, no? Ha? Sabi niya. Siya lang.
Ayan, mabalik ko sa inyo.
Bakit pag may ano? Tulog na ako. Tulog ka na? Hindi si David to.
Pwede to, te.
Naglalaro dito ng ML.
Ayan, first skill na.
First skill na to.
Ayaw mo pa na.
Ayan. Sa'yo mong mitik yan. Kami naglalaro ng ML dito.
Ang lutong nung tain na yan. Addict.
Alam niyo ML?
Pwede kayo, kuhanin na yan.
Oo. Nagbubuhat na siya. Nagbubuhat na siya. Dami no, 75 na. 80 na.
Ilang ako ah.
Hey guys, what's up? Other questions? Kind of bored, you know. What's up? I'm good. Just chilling. How are you? I'm okay. Pretty chill. Barbie, I was with her a while ago for Showtime taping.
Ngayon hindi ko alam kung bakit puro English naman si David. Pero yun na nga daw, a while ago daw, kanina daw, or kahapon ay nasa Showtime nag-taping si David tsaka si Barbie. Nakita niya kanina.
Guys, why don't you guys eat at Sobra Cafe or in Bolito? Oh, by the way, I'm gonna be in Kuyukuriak, SM Clark this Saturday. I'll see you guys there.
Ayun, nagkamali nga si David. Di ba Sunday? Ba't nag-Saturday?
Nothing. I don't usually use my TikTok. I actually don't use social media. Only Instagram. My Twitter and TikTok are handled by this man. Yeah, I don't usually use Twitter and TikTok. Yeah, just Instagram.
So yung reaction sa mga posts, pagka Instagram si David talaga yon. Pero sinabi niya ngayon na yung Twitter at saka TikTok si Kenzie nagmamanage para sa kanya.
Shot mo na.
I'm pretty chill. Full Facebook? No, I don't post on Facebook also.
So ang chismis nga guys, yung Facebook naman daw niya, ang may hawak nun ay si Miss Sab.
I only use Instagram. Dustin, yeah, he's in PBB. Ba't ba ganyan? Bakit ano? Enhancement. Beautify. What's up? Guys, have you guys listened to I Think I Love You? Pinsan ko nandito, si Simon.
Sino?
Simon. Ano?
Sa Baguio.
Baguio, hindi kami nag-Baguio. Bicol lang kami. Rate your day today. 10.
Wow. 100 of 10.
Hala, bakit 10? Dahil ba nag-taping sila ng Showtime ni Barbie? Charot. Asumero.
Oh, they're saying.
Sorry. Half Japanese.
Oh, kiniklik. Ako, nakita ko yung live. Yes.
Oo.
Yeah, I'll be in SM Clark this Sunday.
Ayun, at kinorek na nga ni David, Sunday siya, hindi Saturday, no?
Okay, 10 daw.
I'll be live on my TikTok.
Yeah, yun na lang. Guys, panoodin mo yung ano niya, TikTok niya. See ya.
Si Anthony.
Live na siya. Live nga aking. Gusto ko yung malay gusto ko.さっき今 TikTok で俺の携帯でライブして142ぐらい見てて何見てんの？
I Think I Love You. Stream on Spotify and YouTube. I Think I Love You. Dami yung acting workshops.
My neighbor Toro.
I just won Best Actor. Come on. Joke. Yeah, I still do.
Kaya pala ganun yung sagot niya kasi may nagtanong pala, do you do acting workshop? So sabi niya, I just won Best Actor. Come on, joke. I still do.
No, my neighbor is Toro. No. Yeah. Look at this. Check this.
Okay, no, I listen to that. I Think I Love You. I Think I Love You. What do you mean 28? What? No. What's up? We have good questions. I'm only gonna be here for 10 minutes. Or 5. Do you wanna go back to Bahay ni Kuya? Yeah, definitely. Had a good time there. I just wish I had more tasks, I guess.
Teka nga David, ba't parang gustong-gusto mo bumalik sa bahay ni Kuya? Ba't ulit-ulit ka doon? Ano ba meron doon? Porket ba nandun si Dustin? O baka naman charet lang.
New date ko still. Yes. Yes. That's my God. One Saturday we're gonna be in Showtime. Barbie and I. What's up? Yeah. I Think I Love You on Spotify. Listen to that, okay? Probably going now. Fidel. Yeah, wish ko talaga magkaroon ng Maria Clara na bar ni Fidel eh.
Actually wish din namin yun. Kaya lang ano na lang, Clay at Fidel na lang. Hindi na Maria Clara at Ibarra at Fidel.
Ingay mo eh. Nga mo na yung boses mo. Oo. Ingay ah. Go. Kailan lalabas si Dustin? Hindi ko alam eh.
Kaya pinapapush din mid eh.
What? Dustin, oo, sunduin na natin yan. Si Dustin, tagal nila dun eh. Parang doon ang mga ano, joke lang.
Ako, tumipi ako.
I miss Maria Clara also. That changed my life.
Ayun, buti na lang may special mention ang Maria Clara at Ibarra, di ba?
Okay guys, I go ahead now. I'm sleepy. I love you guys. I love you. That's my baby talk, by the way. I love you.
Ang Cute naman mag-baby to.
Favorite? I think I Love You is my favorite song right now. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Eat at Sobra Cafe, Alabang, Molito, and Sobra Opus. Kuya Korea, SM Clark, SM Manila, and Araneta Center. See you guys there. I go ahead now. And also on Sunday, I'm gonna be in SM Clark for a meet and greet. They're also releasing new dishes for you guys to try. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. I think I love you.
Ayun na nga. At sayang nga at walang nanghingi ng sample kay David. Sana sinampulan niya man lang tayo ng kanyang kanta. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!